This is the raw vocal.
Sitting in the studio thinking about you, baby.
And this is with my processing.
Sitting in the studio thinking about you, baby.
First plugin, Waves Tune. I use this instead of Autotune simply because it was working. You know, it did its job. All right, cool. 1073. I love putting this on a lot of my vocal chains, so it's sitting on here again.
Sitting in the studio thinking about you, baby. Sitting in the studio thinking about you, baby.
Next is the SSL console. This is where I'm doing a lot of kind of the shape and tonality of the vocal.
Sitting in the studio thinking about you, baby.
Next plugin was a de-esser. There's a little bit of sibilance and harshness that I was trying to take care of.
You, baby.
Next plugin is the LA2A, and why I grabbed this is because I was searching for more of a transparent and smoother compressor, and this definitely does the trick.
Sitting in the studio thinking about you, baby. Sitting in the studio thinking about you, baby.
There's not a whole lot of compression going on. It was just to kind of tame the peaks a little bit. Next plugin is this EQ. Let's listen before and after.
Sitting in the studio thinking about you, baby. Sitting in the studio thinking about you, lady.
Now this is where you're getting a lot of the sparkle and air. Next plugin is another de-esser. Now I just wanted to tame kind of what I added to it.
Sitting in, baby. Sitting in the studio thinking.
And the last plugin is R Comp from Waves.
Sitting in the studio thinking about you, baby. Sitting in the studio thinking about you, lady.
With this compressor, basically I was looking to tame those peaks a little bit, and I have a very fast attack, basically trying to clamp down fast as possible. I was using Rooms from Brainworks. I like how this has more of a shimmer to it than the other reverbs that I do have, so I decided to use that.
Sitting in the studio thinking about you, baby. Sitting in the studio thinking about you, baby.
Awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you learned something. I'll catch you on the next video. Later.